First things first, let's do a presence check. Now a presence check simply checks if there's anything present. Again, it's in the name. That means if there's anything there. If nothing is there, we cannot move forward, we cannot continue, we won't be able to fill in the form or the database. It's going to tell us, or it should tell us, if designed properly, if implemented properly, that there is an error. You won't be able to continue without this piece of information, right? Here's a screenshot. We need to go to design view and we need to enter the is not null validation rule. I'm going to show how to do that now. And we also need to enter a validation message or validation text, I believe it's called. So I'm going to go to my database. I'm going to open my customer table here. And from here, I'm going to go to design view. So we can right click on customer table and go to design view. Or we can simply click on the view button here once customer table has been opened and it's highlighted to us. For example, if I had multiple ones here, so if I had that one and that one, I would have to go back to customer table and click on view here. I need to go to surname because that's the thing I want to test, and validation rule should be is not null, meaning is not empty. And if it is left empty, we should have what's known as a validation text. The validation text that I've typed in is silly human, you must enter a surname before you can move on. Obviously, yours should be something more sensible. So something along the lines of you have to enter a surname before you can continue. Anything along those lines should work fine. I'm going to close this one here just so we can go back and test. And I'm going to go back to the normal view. Now I'm going to leave surname blank for now just to test it works properly. Forename, which is first name, I'm going to type Bob. Telephone number, anything with numbers really. Email, bob at gmail.com. And customer type ID, I think it was like NHS or private, something along those lines. I'm going to go to the next line to try and create a new, patient or person. When I do that, oh, this needs to be, what does this need to be? A number? Let's just put 1, 2 for now. When I try to go to the next line, as you can see, I have an error message that says, silly human, you must enter a surname before you can move on. Right? So this tells me that my validation rule is working because I am not able to continue if I don't enter something.